bought this wheel because we were driving over the Bay Bridge Tunnel in high wind, and I thought it was a good price, and I hit buy. So I thought I'd do a little unboxing and review for those of you who might feel the same need to purchase it. Comes with feet in a little baggie and a converter for your electricity. The whole wheel weighs maybe 25 or 30 pounds, and I'm not sure. Take all this packaging out. The box got a little bit crushed shipping it, and it takes about a month to get here when you buy them straight from China. He's a little mini. You can see in comparison to my Thomas Stewart wheel, it's quite a bit smaller. On the side of this wheel, all of the markings are in Chinese, but I did Google Translate on them, and you can find out that one means on and one means off, and there is a reverse switch for this wheel. If you tip it over, all of the guts are pretty exposed, so I would want to be careful water-wise, and I will put this up on its feet eventually, but to demonstrate it, I'll just leave it on the ground. This particular wheel was listed as 500 watts, I believe, which translates to a little bit more than half horsepower. Extension cord. Let's see here. I think it's on. It's speedy. Doesn't seem. Oh, there we go. I think once I have it up on its feet, it will turn off. I think we're going to pause the video and come back because I think I need to put it on its feet so that it stays off.